All right, here we go. This one is another 115 grain. This is Ammo Inc. 9mm Black Ops. So we're going to test it in the jugs out of the 4-inch barrel and see what this one can do. Here we go. Here we go. This one is 9mm Ammo Inc. Black Ops 115 grain. Let's see what this one got. There we go. Let's see how this one did. Got us pretty wet. Not as wet as the last one. And here we go. Entrance. Split it and exit. Split the back, split the top. First jug. Here we go on second jug. Looks like we have a little bit of wet in there. That is the second jug. Entrance and exits. Split it pretty good. Third jug. Entrance and exits on the third. And it sounds like we caught it in the fourth jug. Here's the entrance on the fourth. And it tried to come out. So I'm going to pull it out and see what this one looks like. Alright, here we go. This one is 9mm Ammo Inc. Black Ops. 115 grain. Did shed a little bit of its core, some of the lead. But that one actually did better than I thought it would. Mushing out pretty nice. Pedals came back perfectly. The base, no jacket separation whatsoever. But it did lose a little bit of that lead. Ammo Inc. 9mm. 115 grain. Not too bad. There we go.